People just keep innovating, and then we go from like really long ad copy like this to really short ad copy that are really simple, to maybe an ad copy where there's no ad copy and it's just a link to the product and it's all about the creative. Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll be talking about shock advertising. Before we get started, here's the winners from last video's $1,000 worth of courses and consulting giveaway. Check your DMs. I went ahead and sent you a DM. Let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. If you want to go ahead and be qualified for tomorrow's giveaway, drop a comment below, tag your Instagram so I can go ahead and DM you. Make sure that you follow me so I can DM you to give you your prize. And I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Let's get into the video. So today we'll be talking about shock advertising. So what people have on Facebook is something called banner blindness. So if you look at this image, all the red heat signals, that's where people are looking at. And as you can see, all the banners which are selected by these yellow rectangles, there's no heat on the banner. People literally just scroll past the banner. People don't even realize it's there. They're literally blind to banners. And the reason is because we've just saturated the market over the past 20 years with banner ads. And as a result, people just want to go to the website for the website's content. No one's actually going to be looking at these banners. And the exact same thing is happening on Facebook. Facebook ad blindness. So everyone's seen these ads, ads that show 24 hours off, 50% off, shop now. They have their linked place twice, the exact same 4 to 10 line template where they have 2 descriptions, 2 get it here, limited time only, or they have like 3 lines of description, link, free shipping, and a bunch of features with green ticks. Like this is the same template that everyone is using, and people are literally becoming blind to these. People are just scrolling right past them, and like using a lot of emojis, having emojis on both sides. Like that's another thing that people used to always do, and people still do today. Like all the bad marketers still use this same template word for word. They literally just copy and paste the template and switch out the name for their product, and as a result, you're not gonna succeed. So what would happen? If you do this, your ad isn't gonna succeed. People are just gonna ignore your ad and keep scrolling, and you need to stand out by doing the exact opposite. So these ads are all like really old ads from a year ago. And of course, a year ago they did well, but in today's market, you're not gonna succeed with the same generic ad copy because people just don't wanna see these ads anymore. People wanna go on Facebook to enjoy their feed, not to be fed these gimmicky ads. What I see a lot of results from and a lot of success from me and my students are really, really simple ads. What I call them is opposite ad copies. We literally do the opposite of what everyone was doing a year ago. These ads are very simple. They have no emojis, maybe 1 or 2. They use one-liners. Literally, they just have one line explaining the product. They have no salesy, not how. They have no salesy headline, like literally one says free shipping, one says easy braids, one says personalized heat change mug. Whereas previously you see free shipping, limited time offer, 30% off, 24-hour only, cash on delivery. There's just so much in the headline. Now it's just simple. And these ads are like 3 to 4 months old, and they're able to generate 500 to 4 million views. So this is what's working in today's market, and obviously in a year time this is going to change. And if everyone starts implementing this strategy, people might have to go back to the old strategy to stand out. And that's how everything works. It goes through ups and downs. The same thing happened within exercising niche. 5 years ago, everyone was worried about getting really, really big, really bulky, protein shakes, everything, and just like bulking all the time, to like now where like people are interested in that athletic body. And eventually we'll probably go down to like people really interested in just being really slim, doing marathons, joggers, just like that skinny look. And eventually it'll bounce back up to like having that sort of bulky, fit, athletic look, to going back up to wanting to be big and chunky again. Like everything goes through ups and downs, and it repeats in cycles. So I definitely can see how the ad copy can go back and forth. Or another option is that people just keep innovating, and then we go from like really long ad copy like this to really short ad copy that are really simple, to maybe an ad copy where there's no ad copy and it's just a link to the product and it's all about the creative. So those are the different predictions I have, but you always want to be innovating. You always want to do the opposite of what's currently present. And the results of this, your ad will blend into people's newsfeed, and as a result, people will be more likely to engage with the ad, watch the ad, because now they're thinking it's their own newsfeed's post, as well as they're going to be more willing to tag their friends. No one wants to tag their friend in an ad. If you look at this, I wouldn't want to tag my friend in like a post like this. It just looks too scammy. It looks bad, gimmicky. I don't want to tag my friend in something like this. But if it's more simple and it looks like a generic real Facebook post, then I'm going to tag my friends and I'm going to engage with it. And as a result, Facebook will give you more traffic and lower CPMs as they prefer user-friendly ads. So Facebook is actually going to back you if you do consumer-centric type of ads. But yeah, that's it. This is shock advertising, doing the opposite of what everyone is doing, exactly like this image. If you have a red apple in a pool of green apples, it's going to be pretty obvious. Just like if you have an ad that's completely opposite of what everyone's doing, it's going to stand out and you're going to get much more engagement, clicks, and then inadvertently you're going to get more sales. Hope you guys found value in this video. I've been aiming to drop value every single day. If you want this slide, it's in the description completely for free in the resources section. If you guys want to win $1,000 worth of consulting calls or courses, drop a comment below. I'll be picking the best comment every single video. If you want to work with me one-on-one, sign up for the mentorship application, link in the description below. Last but not least, if you guys found value, please drop a like. Please share my channel and subscribe. I want to hit 50k subs by the end of the year, and I'm going to be providing value every single day. So hit the notification bell to get that edge on everyone else. Peace.